Big Brother offers a congratulatory squawk to Brazilian Supreme Court Justice Alexandre de Moraes for jailing individuals for their incendiary posts on Twitter. These bold steps stamp out what support remains for vanquished former President Jair Bolsonaro. Fake news, like a flock of birds, is migratory, and unfounded social media fervor for irrelevant politicians must similarly head south. Furthermore, de Moraes insists that Twitter give up the goose of their users' identities, demanding the corporate birds spill its secrets to the government so we know where to best direct our hate. Adhering to the party-approved narrative ensures that the coddled minds of the people are shielded from all but the purest of thoughts. Big Brother salutes de Moraes for his unflappable commitment to wiping out fake news. The ornithological affront that is continued support for the defeated Jair Bolsonaro is truly for the birds. Don't fly the coop just yet. Remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel.